Welcome to Hebrew Words in Scripture. This is Lesson 77. Let's look at Haran and Haran. So we pick up the story in Genesis 11:27. Now these are the generations of Terah. Terah begat Abraham, Nahor, and Haran begat Lot. In verse 28. And Haran died before his father Terah in the land of his nativity in Ur of the Chaldees. Verse 29. And Abram and Nahor took them wives. The name of Abram's wife was Sarai, and the name of Nahor's wife Milcah, the daughter of Haran, the father of Milcah, and the father of Iscah. So this makes Haran, who died, the father of Lot, Milcah, and Iscah. And we see that Nahor married his brother's daughter, or his niece. We're eventually going to look at the meaning of most of these names, but today we're going to look at Haran. These names and places are important because Abram's son Isaac is going to marry his wife from Haran, and their son Jacob is going to marry his wife from Haran. Today we're looking at Haran, H2039. And this word is the Hebrew word He Resh Nun, Haran, and it says it means mountaineer. It's the youngest son of Terah, the brother of Abraham. We just seen this, the father of Lot, Milcah, and Iscah. He was born and died in the Ur of Chaldees. This word also has several other meanings, but the fourth meaning is the name of the place to which Abraham migrated from Ur of Chaldees, and where the descendants of his brother Nahor established themselves. Remember, we talked about Isaac and Jacob coming from finding wives from this area. And they established themselves, probably located in Mesopotamia, in Padan Aram, in the foothills between Kabul and the Euphrates below Mount Masias. Haran could possibly derive its meaning from H2022, the meaning mountaineer. H2022, He Resh Har. Its definition is hill, mountain, hill country, mount. It says it's a shortened form of H2042. H2042, He Resh Harar, mountain or hill country. Here's a map that shows Ur, where they started, Haran, where they spent some time in the mountain area about 600 miles from Ur, and finally the Cana, where they settled near the Dead Sea, about 500 miles from Haran. And going on into verse 31, we see, and Terah took Abram his son, and Lot the son of Haran, his son's son, and Sarai his daughter-in-law, his son Abram's wife, and they went forth with them from Ur of the Chaldees to go into the land of Canaan. And they came unto Haran and dwelt there. Notice in the English, Haran and Haran are the same word, but in Hebrew, Haran, the son's name, is H2039, but Haran, the land to which they went and in which they dwelt, is H2771. And H2771 is Chet Resh Nun Haran. So it is a different word, and the meaning is mountaineer. And we see the second definition is the city to which Abram migrated when he left Ur of Chaldees. So this is the town we're looking for. Its origin is H2787. And H2787 is Het Resh Harar. It means to burn or to be hot, scorched. Definition is from a primitive root to glow, that is literally to melt, burn, dry up. So why does the place name Haran mean dry and scorched and burnt? And why did Abram and his father go there? Wikipedia says that Haran is about 1,180 feet above sea level. That's just about the same as Kansas. It gets 40 centimeters of rain, or about 16 inches. Kansas gets 29 inches on the average annual rainfall. The summertime, the Haran experiences significant temperature differences. So it seems to be a pretty hot place. Here's Google Maps of the topographical area. And notice the mountains to the east and to the west and to the north. Haran is in a low spot in between. And here's the satellite photo. See the mountains all around Haran? It's green. It would appear Terah, Abraham, Lot, and Nahor chose a good place to live.